is William and welcome to Go. Today we are talking about the Leatherman Wave Plus. Thing of beauty, Wave Plus. Today we'll be reviewing the Leatherman Wave Plus. Very handy multi-tool. Hope you enjoy this. In the box, it comes with the Leatherman tool, of course, as well as the carry pouch and user manual. To begin with, as 4 tools accessible right from the get-go. We have the knife, very sharp. We also have the saw on the right hand side, as well as the serrated knife on the right hand side as well. And finally on the left we have a very useful file. Opening it up, we have a set of pliers, very handy, with a nice black finish. And you can see this is the Wave Plus, so we have the premium wire cutters which are replaceable. On the left we have the bottle opener, always useful, and accompanied with a medium-sized Phillips head screwdriver, as well as rule markings on the side of the body. On the right-hand side, we also have the rule markings, as well as a pair of small scissors, quite useful. Trim your nails with it. We also have a medium-sized driver and a small bit driver. All in all, you have about 18 tools, very premium, high quality metal. And let's not forget the all-important carrier pouch. Rather stylish, very convenient, holds your Leatherman very securely, can be attached to your belt for quick access anywhere, anytime. And that's our first look at the Leatherman Wave. Thank you.